ሰላም ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? በዛሬው ዕለት የ11ኛ ክፍል የኢኮኖሚክስ ትምህርታችንን ካቆምንበት እንቀጥላለን። ለዩቲዩብ ቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ ይጠበቅባችኋል። እንደዚሁም ለሌሎች ጓደኞቻችሁ እንዲደርስ ሼር አድርጉት፣ ሊንኩን ኮፒ አድርጋችሁ ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ወይም አስተያየት ካላችሁ በኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ አስቀምጡ። እንግዲህ ወደ ዋናው ርዕሳችን ስንገባ አቨሬጅ ፕሮፔንሲቲ ቱ ኮንሱም ኤፒሲ አቨሬጅ ፕሮፔንሲቲ ቱ ኮንሱም ይላል። እንግዲህ ስለዚህ ስንነጋገር ኪያንስ ፖስትድ ዛት ዘ ሬሽዮ ኦፍ ኮንሰምፕሽን ቱ ኢንካም ኮልድ ዘ አቨሬጅ ፕሮፔንሲቲ ቱ ኮንሱም ነው ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ኮንሰምፕሽን ለኢንካም ሬሽዮ ስናስቀምጥ አቨሬጅ ፕሮፔንሲቲ ቱ ኮንሱም እናገኛለን። ፎልስ አዝ ኢንካም ራይዝስ ሚንስ ኢንካም እየጨመረ በሄደ ቁጥር አቨሬጅ ፕሮፔንሲቲ ቱ ኮንሱም ፎል እያደረገ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አቨሬጅ ፕሮፔንሲቲ ቱ ኮንሱም ኢዝ ዘ ሬሽዮ ኦፍ ዘ ቶታል ኮንሰምፕሽን ኤክስፔንዲቸር ሲ ቱ ዘ ቶታል ኢንካም ዋይ ዲ ዲስፖንሲብል ኢንካም አት ዘ ጊቨን ሌቭል ኦፍ ኢንካም ኢን አን ኢኮኖሚ ማለት ነው። ኢት ኢዝ ዘ ሜዠር ኦፍ tendency to consume income on average. Hence, average propensity to consume can be calculated as APC is equal to C over YD, means total consumption expenditure over total income. If, for example, a consumer has 4,000 Ethiopian birr and makes consumption expenditure of 3,000 Ethiopian birr, then the average propensity to consume for this household will be means that consumption expenditure 300,000 over the consumer total income 4,000 is equal to 0.75. 0.75 is the average propensity to consume እንላለን ማለት ነው። ይሄ ቁጥር the average propensity to consume or 75% of the household allocates of its income on the consumption ማለት ነው። The value of average propensity to consume may be greater than 1 because when an income is at very low level, the consumption exceeds income to meet the very basic necessities. Income በጣም እየቀነሰ በመጣ ቁጥር consumption exceeds income እየሆነ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። The value of average propensity to consume greater than 1 ሲሆን this implies that saving becomes negative for such consumption levels. saving እየቀነሰ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። marginal propensity to consume ደግሞ the small c in the consumption function which is the coefficient of the disposable income is the slope of the consumption function and is called marginal propensity to consume. The slope of consumption function marginal propensity to consume ነው ማለት ነው። The marginal propensity to consume shows the rate of change in the household tendency to consume due to the change to income. It is a unit increase consumption for any unit increase in disposable income of the consumer. The marginal propensity to consume formula ቀመሩ ማለት ነው change in consumption over change in disposable income means C symbolically notation C is equal to change in C over change in YD. Where the symbol triangle stands for change in. Since it expected that any rise in disposable income will be partly spent and partly saved, C is strictly less than 1 and greater than 0. ስለዚህ C marginal propensity to consume ብዙውን ጊዜ በዜሮ እና በአንድ መካከል ነው የሚገኘው። ከዜሮ ያንሳል፣ ከዜሮ ይበልጣል፣ ከአንድ ያንሳል ማለት ነው። Note here in the Kien's consumption function first, the marginal propensity to consume C is greater than between 0 and 1. Second, the average propensity to consume falls as income rises. Average propensity to income consumption fall ሲያደርግ ኢንካም ምን ያደርጋል? ራይዝ ወይም ኢንቨርስ የሆነ ሪሌሽንሽፕ አላቸው ማለት ነው። The third consumption is determined by current income. Suppose disposable income of a consumer is 1,000 ETB to 2000 ETB, and he or she is increased her consumption from the original 800 to 1400 ETB. The change in dispensable income. Change in dispensable income means 2000 minus 1000 is equal to 1000. Change in dispensable income. The change in consumption equals 1400 minus 800 is equal to 60. The marginal prosperity to consume means that 600 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.6. Means we multiply the result by 100%, expressing as its percentage. Thus, the household spent 60% of the new income on the consumption. 60% የሚሆነው የገቢውን ለኮንሰምሽን ለፍጆታ አውሎታል ማለት ነው። By assuming he or she will save the remaining 40%, which equals 400 ETB. Alternatively, if C is equal to 0.8, it implies that the household spends 800 of its additional income earned on consumption of goods and service and saves 20% ማለት ነው። Assume your family consumption function is indicated in table 4.1 and is given by C is equal to 80 plus 0.7 YD. The autonomous consumption 80 ምንድን ነው? እዚህ ጋር 80 autonomous consumption function ይባላል። and the slope or the marginal propensity to consume ስንት ነው? 0.7 ነው ማለት ነው። if the dispensable income YD of the consumer is estimated 800 Ethiopian birr, we can calculate the induced consumption and the total consumption of the consumer. The induced consumption will be, induced consumption means that the marginal propensity to consume times the YD means that 0.7 times 800, which is equal to 560. Consequently, the total consumption will be induced consumption 80 plus the induced consumption 560 and equals 640 ይመጣል ማለት ነው። C consumption. Since the properties of marginal propensity to consume, የማርጂናል propensity to consume ባህሪያቶች ምንድናቸው ስንል it lays between 0 and በአንድና በዜሮ መካከል ነው። 0 means no change in consumption and 1 shows the maximum or total consumption of the new income. Marginal propensity to decrease as income increase. Income ሲጨምር marginal propensity to consume ይቀንሳል. In other words, the marginal propensity of the poor is higher than the marginal propensity of the rich. የድሆች marginal propensity higher ሲሆን የሪች የሀብታሞች marginal propensity to consume is lower. The poor people tend to consume higher portion of their income relative to the rich one ማለት ነው እንግዲህ ማለት ነው። ይችን በደንብ አድርጋችሁ መያዝ ይኖርባችኋል ይችን ኖት ማለት ነው። Figure 1.3.4.3 below present the consumption function. Several points are words nothing from the graph. First, the consumption function is an increase function of income. It is an upward sloping line. Here on the x-axis we measure the dispensable income, y-axis and x-axis the dispensable income, and the y-axis we measure the level of consumption. We have assumed constant marginal propensity to consume and hence the consumption function is linear line. The second consumption line does not pass through the origin. It is y-intercept always positive given by C note in the graph. This is the amount of the autonomous consumption. The third slope of the consumption function is the marginal propensity to consume, and the graph is drawn flatter or steeper line depending on the magnitude of the C. A steeper consumption function represents the consumption function with higher marginal propensity. Steeper ሲሆን consumption function marginal propensity to consume higher ይሆናል። Flatter consumption function shows smaller marginal propensity to consume. Flatter consumption, smaller marginal propensity to consume. On the other hand, the steeper consumption function represents the consumption function with higher marginal propensity to consume. Means here is the graphical representation of here is the consumption function, the y-axis, the disposable income, the x-axis, and this is the vertical axis of the consumption function. Marginal propensity to consume means that change in y, change in c over change in c. Change in y means change in y here is and change in c here is ማለት ነው። ከላይ በቀመርም ያየ ነው እሱ ነው የሚመስለው ማለት ነው። As the graph shows, when the disposable income changes, the marginal propensity to cause change in average propensity to consume. The initial source of change in the model is the change in the disposable income. Note in here, the marginal propensity to consume is the ratio of the change in consumption function to the change in disposable income. Change in C over change in Y. ያልነው ማለት ነው። Activity 4.2, how do you rate your marginal propensity to consume ማለት ከላይ ያየነው ነው። Do you tend to consume or save most of any extra income that you receive from your family? ይህንን በደብተራችሁ ላይ ሰርታችሁ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Note that consumption can be affected through 3 ways. እንግዲህ ኮንሰምፕሽን አፌክት የሚሆነው በሶስት መንገድ ነው። One is through change in marginal propensity to consume ነው። ሁለተኛው through the change in disposable income ነው። And finally, the change in the autonomous component affects the position of the consumption function. Consumption function በሶስት መንገዶች አፌክት ይደረጋል። አንደኛው ማርጂናል ፕሮስፔሪቲ ቱ ኮንሱም ቼንጅ ሲያደርግ፣ ሁለተኛው ዲስፖዚብል ኢንካም ቼንጅ ሲያደርግ፣ ሶስተኛው አውቶኖመስ ኮምፖነንት ቼንጅ ሲያደርግ ማለት ነው። ሌላው የምንመለከተው ዲተርሚናንትስ ኦፍ ኮንሰምፕሽን ኤክስፔንዲቸር ነው። ኖት the distinction between consumption spending by household and national consumption expenditure. We aggregate the household consumption expenditure to generate the national consumption expenditure. የእያንዳንዱን ሃውስሆልድ ኮንሰምፕሽን አግሪጌት አድርገን ደምረን በጥቅል ናሽናል የሆነውን ኮንሰምፕሽን ኤክስፔንዲቸር ልናገኝ እንችላለን። ጀኔራሊ ስፒኪንግ ኮንሰምፕሽን ኤክስፔንዲቸር ኢዝ a macroeconomic variable and is crucial to any economic performance. There are at least 6 main determinant functions. Determinant that affects consumption. እንግዲህ ኮንሰምፕሽን ዲተርማይን ሊያደርጉ የሚችሉ አንደኛው መኒ ኢንካም ነው። ሁለተኛው ዲስትሪቢዩሽን ኦፍ ኢንካም በፑር እና በሪች መካከል ያለው ማለት ነው። ሌቭል ኦፍ ዳይሬክት ታክስ ዘ ሃየር ሌቭል ኦፍ ዳይሬክት ታክስ ሊድስ ቱ ሎወር ሌቭል ኦፍ ፐርሰናል ዲስፖንሲብል ኢንካም ኤንድ ዘስ ዲክሪስ ኮንሰምፕሽን ኤክስፔንዲቸር. The principle also acts inversely, means that the higher the level of personal disposable income, the lower level of direct tax ማለት ነው. This increases consumption expenditure. The other expectation about future price income and price, if the price income are expected to rise in the future, present consumption will increase. When people expect to fall in either income or price, they tend to lower current consumption rate of interest. If the interest rate of leads increase the reduction of consumption expenditure and increases in saving. interest rate ሲጨምር ኮንሰምፕሽን ምን ይሆናል? ይቀንሳል። ሴቪንግን ይጨምራል። ምክንያቱም ኢንተረስት ስለጨመረ። This is true because the interest rate acts as a cost of holidays, money outside bank and financial institutions. The principle acts inversely, means that a decrease in the rate of interest rate leads an increase consumption expenditure and decrease saving. It means level of wealth. Other determinant factors, higher wealth level leads to higher consumption expenditure. This principle also acts inversely, means that a lower health level leads to a lower consumption expenditure. means that level of wealth በኤክስፔንዲቸር እና በዌልዝ ሌቭል ዳይሬክት የሆነ ሪሌሽንሽፕ አላቸው። ሬት ኦፍ ኢንተረስት ግን ኢንዳይሬክት የሆነ ሪሌሽንሽፕ አላቸው ማለት ነው። ተማሪዎች እንግዲህ ለዛሬ በዚህ ይበቃናል። ለዩቲዩብ ቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። እንዲሁም ለሌሎች ጓደኞቻችሁ እንዲደርስ ሊንኩን ኮፒ አድርጋችሁ ሼር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ያው እውቀት በጋራ ነው ማደግ ያለበት የሚል እምነት ስላለኝ ነው። ለዛሬ